Good day everyone, I'm Teacher Justin, and for today, I'm going to talk about Factoring Quadratic Trinomial Case number 1. So, remember, kaya siya tinawag na Case number 1, yung ating leading term ng ating quadratic trinomial has a value of 1. So, nandito yung invisible na 1. So, yung first term natin, laging x squared para ma-identify siya na case number 1. Now, how do we factor a quadratic trinomial? Let's have this example. We have x squared plus 11x plus 24. So, para ma-factor natin to, so ang first step natin is for us to prepare our two groups. Then, ang susunod nating step, we get the factor of x squared. So, isa lang yan, x times x. Okay. So, lagay natin yung factors ni x squared sa ating first term ng bawat group. Then, let's focus our attention dun sa last term, which is 24. So, yung c natin is 24. Okay? That will be our product. So, hanap tayo ng factors ni c, ni 24, na pag inad natin, the answer is b. Ayan. So, yung b natin, it is the middle term, which is 11. Okay? So, isip tayo ng factors ni 24, na pag inad natin, the answer is 11. So, mga factors niya, we have 12 and 2. Pag inad natin yung 12 and 2, is it equal to 11? So, hindi siya equal to 11. So, isip pa tayo ng factors ni 24. We have 8 and 3. So, 8 times 3 is 24. So, pag inad natin, is it equal to 11? Yes, it is equal to 11. So, nakuha na natin yung factors ni 24 na magbibigay sa atin ng 11. So, kopyahin natin yan. We have 8 and 3. 8 and 3 will serve as our factors of this polynomial. So, 8 is positive. Lagay natin dito, positive 8 sa first group. And 3 naman sa kabila, positive 3. And that's it. That will be our factor of this polynomial. Isang x plus 8 at isang x plus 3. Tada! Alright, let's factor this polynomial using quadratic trinomial case number 1. Case number 1 siya kasi yung ating first term, walang numerical coefficient bukod sa 1. Okay, so to factor this, simulan natin with preparing our two groups. Okay, meron tayong dalawang group dito. Then, let's factor our x squared. Isa lang yung factor niya. It is x times x. So, nilagay natin sa bawat group yung variable x. Then, let's copy our last term. So, positive 70. So, yan yung ating c. And, isip tayo ng factors ni 70 na pag inad natin, the answer is b. And yung b natin, it is equal to negative 17. So, kasama yung sign, negative 17. So, isip tayo ng factors ni 70. So, we can say that 10 and 7. So, 10 and 7, pag inad natin, it is equal to 17. Hindi siya equal to negative 17. Kasi magkaiba naman yung positive at negative. So, hindi yan yung ating hinahanap. So, isip pa tayo ng factors ni 70 na pagka inad natin, the answer is negative 17. So, it will give us, another factor will be negative 10 times negative 7. So, pag minultiply natin, it is equal to 70. Pag inad natin, the answer is negative 17. Which is, yun yung hinahanap natin na value. Nakuha na natin yung factor. So, kopyahin natin yung negative 10 at negative 7. So, lagay natin doon sa ating two groups. Isang group merong negative 10. Yung isang group naman will have negative 7. Now, let's put them together. It will give us x minus 10 and x minus 7. And that's it. That will be the factor of our polynomial. Tada! Alright. Okay, let's factor quadratic trinomial. So, we have g squared minus 5g minus 24. So, pag nagpa-factor tayo ng quadratic trinomial, case number 1, our first step is to prepare our two groups. Okay? Then, kunin natin yung factors ni first term. So, yung factor ni g squared is equal to g times g. Okay. So, next naman na gagawin natin is let's focus our attention dun kay value of c natin, which is the last term. So, negative 24, kunin natin yan. And that will serve as the product of our quadratic trinomial. So, mag-isip tayo ng factors ni last term na pag inad natin, the answer is equal to b. And in this case, ang b natin is equal to negative 5. So, isip tayo ng factors ni negative 24. So, one of the factors of negative 24 will be negative 12 times 2. Let's add them. So, negative 12 plus 2, that will give us negative 10. And hindi yan equal sa middle term natin. So, hanap pa tayo ng ibang factors ni negative 24. So, we can say that it is negative 8 and positive 3. So, negative 8, okay, and positive 3. Pag minultiply natin, negative 24 yung sagot. Pag inad natin, negative 8 plus 3, that will give us negative 5. Which is, yun yung hinahanap nating value. Now, pag nahanap na natin yon, okay, kunin natin si negative 8 at si positive 3. Lagay natin sa ating grouping symbol, isang negative 8 at isang positive 3. And that's it. Ang factor natin will be g minus 8 and g plus 3. Tada! Alright. Okay, let's factor this quadratic trinomial, case number 1. So, we have h squared plus 8h minus 20. So, ang first step natin pag nagpa-factor tayo ng quadratic trinomial is for us to, next natin gagawin, let's get the factor of our first term. So, yung h squared natin, may factor siya na h times h. So, may h bawat group natin. Then, kunin natin yung value ng c natin, which is negative 20. Okay? So, isip tayo ng factors ni c, which is negative 20, na pag inad natin, the answer is the middle term, which is positive 8. So, isip tayo ng factors ni negative 20, na pag inad natin, the answer is 8. So, factors niya can be 10 times negative 2. So, pag inad natin si 10 and negative 2, it is equal to 8. Which is, yun yung hinahanap natin. So, check yan. Kunin natin yung factors na yon. We have 10 and negative 2. So, lagay natin yung 10 and negative 2 dun sa ating group. So, isang group merong plus 10 and yung isang group naman may minus 2. Then, that's it. The factor of our polynomial will be h plus 10 and h minus 2. Tada! Alright. Let's factor this quadratic trinomial case number 1. So, we have y squared minus 29y plus 100. So, first step natin, prepare tayo ng ating dalawang group. Okay? Tapos, second step natin is for us to factor our first term. So, yung factor ni y squared will be y times y. Ayan. Tapos naman, third step natin, kunin natin yung ating last term. So, yung last term natin, it is c, which is 100. Tapos, isip tayo ng factors ni c na pag inad natin, the answer is b, which is our numerical coefficient of the middle term. And it is equal to negative 29. So, isip tayo ng factors ni 100 na magbibigay sa atin na sum ng negative 29. Okay, so meron tayong negative 50 and negative 2. So, pag inad natin yung negative 50 at negative 2, that will give us negative 52, which is not equal to negative 29. So, hindi yan yung hinahanap natin. Isa pang factors ni 100, we have negative 25 and negative 4. So, pag inad natin yan, negative 25 plus negative 4, that will give us negative 29. Which is, yun yung inahanap natin na value na pag inad natin yung factor, negative 29 yung sagot. So, nahanap na natin yung factors na kailangan natin. Kunin natin si negative 25 at si negative 4. Ilalagay natin si negative 25 sa isang group. Okay? And si negative 4, lagay natin sa isa pang group. So, that will give us the factor of our polynomial, which is y minus 25 and y minus 4. That's it. Ta-da! Alright. And that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. And that is it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.